Alright you guys, is your iPhone case actually falling apart where the plastic's like literally coming off and you're still not getting a new one? Well, I'm going to show you guys the best new iPhone case that you can get for your iPhone. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm going to take this off my iPhone right now. This is not supposed to be like that. There was supposed to be a piece connecting from here to here. It's getting deteriorated. This part's broken off as well. It's just flimsy, and yeah, we don't need that. Okay, so we're gonna get a brand new iPhone case for my iPhone, and I'm gonna show you guys which one I got. Here is the packaging that came in for the iPhone case that I got. So it's actually called the Cordking iPhone 11 case, silicone ultra slim shockproof phone case with soft anti-scratch microfiber lining, 6.1 inch black. I'm gonna have to talk to the marketing team about that and figure out why did they name it that long. Okay, you guys, I never thought I'd actually do a review on an actual phone case, but here we are. So now let's open it up, and mind you, if you don't like black, I'm simple. I got black iPhone, getting black phone case. They have all these different colors. Okay, are you ready for this? They have black, they have clove purple, they have green, they have kumquat, they have lavender gray. Let's just say if you don't want to be boring like me and not get black, you have other options, okay? Look at that, it comes with a nice little thank you message like that. I've never gotten that from a package, okay? And is automatically registered for a lifetime warranty. Sweet. Here is the phone case that you can see right here. And it's very soft. It's got this nice soft silicone texture, and then it's got this microfiber inside. Same texture you'd use if you were trying to clean like your glasses or something, like this type of material. It's the same type of soft material inside it. You guys might not be able to see it exactly, but it is a little bit fuzzy right there. So it's supposed to be anti-scratch. All right, so I watched their video on promoting this, and this is what they said, okay? Listen to this. Soft silicone bottom, easy to install. 1.2 millimeter raised lips to protect the screen and the camera. Excellent grip, smooth but not non-slip. Precise cutouts, not interfere with the microphone. Right here, okay? Soft microfiber lining, avoid scratches. Easy to clean. Shockproof. Silicone drop protected. And support wireless charging. Boop. Sliding that in. And there we go. Okay, I will admit, super soft, which is great. It's got this matte feel. I chucked my old iPhone, but pretty much that was hard plastic. This one's more of like a soft, rubbery silicone mesh feel. It feels really satisfying. And they actually are right. It is a smooth feel, but it doesn't feel like I'm gonna like drop it completely, you know? I will admit with my old one, there were some grooves here, so it's easier to hold. So I had a little bit more confidence probably holding my iPhone, but I just like how minimalistic this is. Super flat, super durable, and it does have that little raise right there on the phone to protect it from the screen, which is great. Same for the camera right here. So you'll see that it's got a little bit of a raise. I don't know how to show this properly, but pretty much it's higher than where these cameras are, so you don't have to worry about those getting scratched when it's like in a bag or something, who knows what. But yeah, really great phone case. I just thought it was funny that their promo video was showing all these things with like shockproof and everything. Like at the end of the day, you guys, this is a phone case. There's not much to talk on it other than the fact that it has a bajillion colors, and it is right now $11.88 on Amazon. It's actually Amazon's choice with over 13,000 stars of ratings, around 4.5 on average of the rating for a star out of 5. So yeah, it's not a bad phone case, and a lot of people have bought it, and it comes in so many different colors. So all right, so if you did enjoy this review of the Cordking iPhone case for the iPhone 11, and not the Pro or the Max, but it does come in other sizes and for other iPhones, so don't click off this video if you are just trying to find something for your iPhone. They come in other sizes, so don't worry. This is the overall review. If you guys did like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you could subscribe, I would really appreciate the support. And without further ado, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I hope to see you guys in future videos. Thanks.